Alden, it's your update. Yan, IG story ni Alden. Tumalo ng 5.4 million views. Less than 24 hours. Ang trailer ng Pulang Araw. Grabe yun. Galing nila eh.
Ako po si Alden Richards, gumaganap bilang Eduardo de la Cruz, and meet and greet the cast of Pulang Araw
Diba,
Saturday,
si Alden
July
yun?
13, happening at the first ever Pinoy Con at Juan Ayala, Makati. Limited edition
Sabado
Pulang
na.
Araw merch will be available, and get a chance to have the cast sign your merch that day. So see you guys there, and magkita-kita po tayo. Juan Ayala, Makati on July 13 at 4 p.m. po. See you guys there.
4 p.m. Abangan si Alden. And during Sikayang Festival ng umaga, hinihintay na siya ni Chichi, alaga ng Aspin. You know. Ayan ang cast ng Pulang Araw during Grand Media Conference. And the Netflix, yung sa July 26 na yan, at 29 sa GMA. Yan, pagkatapos ng 24 oras, Pulang Araw. Ito naman, behind the scene ni Alden for Casino Plus. Yan, namigay pa si Alden dyan. Yan pa, yan, mga palaro ng Casino Plus. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Mature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for what